If you are somebody who loves to use the iPhone cameras but the blinking issue or the flickering issue just ruins your mood, in that case my friend, you have arrived at the right place. Hey guys, what's up? This is me Hardik. We are iGeeksblog and today we are gonna see what can be done if at all your iPhone camera is giving you blinking or flickering issues. So the first thing that is needed to be done, I don't know how to say it, but it's very basic, very obvious, but it is needed to be done, it is needed to be said, and hence I'm saying it. In your phone, you need to make sure that you select your camera app and then you kill that app. Yes, you kill that app and restart it again. That might sort out your issues. Now I know that you must have already done it, but still it's my duty to tell you so or remind you so that's what I was doing. Now another very basic yet important thing that you can do is to check if your camera lenses have any physical dirt or debris on it. And if that is the case, then I would suggest that you take a good quality microfiber cloth, a very clean one, and you just lightly dampen it with any solution or water even, but slightly dampen it and then take your phone lenses and then clean it properly. And I guess your job should be done. Now since we are done with the basics, we'll get straight down to the business. Many times you must have noticed that whenever you get too close to a subject, that is when your macro mode is enabled. That means your camera switches the lenses from wide to ultra wide, and it's better to keep it off so that you do not face that jittery and laggy experience. For that we need to go to settings. From there we'll go to camera, and over there you'll find an option called macro control, which is a camera control for automatically switching to the ultra wide camera to capture macro photos and videos. So we'll turn it off so that your phone no more changes its mode automatically. Now just like macro mode, your camera might automatically change lenses while you are shooting a video. That's because they want to give you the best shot, and as a result of that, you face blinking, you face distortion, you face flickering. Today we are going to take care of that as well. Just go to camera settings, you need to go to record video, and over there you need to lock camera so that it does not automatically switch between lenses while recording video. In fact, exposure also plays a major role for these kind of issues. So I'll also tell you how to adjust your exposure according to the conditions. Once you are in a camera app, you just need to swipe up. Over there you'll find a circle where you'll find plus and minus sign all together, and there you'll find your exposure. And you can always try and play with the exposure to find what works for you and what does not. Now in many countries you might find the flickering issues when you are shooting under certain kind of light conditions, just like this. So in that case, we'll make certain changes to your camera app. Go to settings, over there go to record videos. There you need to select show PAL formats. Once you select PAL formats, you can now shoot your videos under 4K 25fps or else 1080p at 25fps. Once you've made the necessary changes, you should go and try shooting under the same lighting conditions and your issues should be gone by now. But after everything that I've told you, you're still not able to get rid of your blinking or flickering issue. In that case, I'm sorry to tell you, but you have a hardware problem. Your optical stabilization mechanism might also cause your camera to blink a lot, or else there might be some moisture in the camera or the lenses, or there also might be water or moisture exposure to your iPhone, which is causing this malfunction in the camera systems. Now, if these are the cases, then I strongly suggest that you go and contact your nearest Apple support so that they can physically examine your phone. But I really hope it does not come to that. This is me Hardik signing off. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take good care of yourself and your devices. God bless.